not gonna believe this.
Oh, we work together. Oh, man.
What you do sitting around this spooky old graveyard?
Okay, I found the gun.
Oh, now we gotta load it.
Okay.
The band, it revolves around the moon, which is why we have winter.
Perhaps the substance of Jim Henson's genius was the ability to see wonder far off in crazy directions and get people to follow him there. Roberta Moran, Dover Plains, New York.
Oh, we work together. Oh, man, I'm sorry, brother. I'm Floyd. I'm with the band. It's good to see you again.
We don't have those. Holy moly, what was that?
What? What's that?
I told you, it's a dog.
It can't be. What is going on? Why are the lights exploding?
Sesame Street looks wild with all that wind. Here comes the rain.
Oh, it's good to be inside. All of us together.
Fisting? I'm going as fast as I can.
Explosion jump!
We're on the job, Chief. No need to get bent out of shape.
Oh, oi hoopa-dad. Oobah's poopa-dad. Ayo, boopa-dad. If we're poopa-dad, ooh, you poopa-dad.
Yeah. Who could have guessed that, right?
Didn't realize you'd be in the middle of some crazy tornado drill.
Hey, Bob! Hey, Bob! I need more peanuts for the elephants!
More peanuts?
Yeah, and we need another slice of mud cake for the pigs!
Oh, I hope this hurricane doesn't last long.
Hey, you guys rock!
Dear Kermit, perhaps the substance of Jim Henson's genius was the ability to see wonder far off in crazy directions and get people to follow him there. Roberta Moran, Dover Plains, New York.
Come on, Uber, you'll be okay.
I hope all is well with you. I'm fine and will be back with you soon. I forgot to tell you that the big production number is meant to be a tribute to Jim Henson. I knew you guys would be confused. Watch the monitor and it will all come clear.
Oh, but the mustard taste is definitely better.
Yeah, well, you better think of it pretty quick. Those dogs have nearly finished the pizza.
Why, Boop, you're right about the mustard.
I can't believe it, Bean! You were right! But what are we gonna do? The dog's gonna eat us all!
Oh, man, no way we'll ever get up there.
Holy moly, what was that?
He died? He died? And this is supposed to be a kid's...
But I'm not Jimmy Jim. He's Jimmy Jim.
I broke the show. I broke Kermit's show!
What's that I'm hearing then?
He died? And this is supposed to be a kid's movie.
Storyteller?
That does it! What is that batty little bunny doing anyway?
What you doing sitting around this spooky old graveyard?
He died?
Ain't that sad now?
And this is supposed to be a kid's movie.
Wow, you're gonna make me crying. I forgot to just cry. It just mean came upset and forget trust.
Well, have tuba, we'll travel.
Yeah.
Stand back, everyone!
But I'm going to get you.
Yeah.
No, no. You're not a weasel.
Yeah.
Stand back, everyone! My brother's got another idea! My brother's got another idea!
I'm trying to fraggle up and be a strong leader, but I'm scared. I'm sad about the radishes, and the thing didn't work, and there's a dead storm up there, and we're stuck down here with no other option. It's all just... I'm sorry. I just wanted to be strong like my uncle, but the rock keeps changing, and we don't know how to bring back the radishes. Junior threw away my club hands, and who knows if we're gonna be friends again.
I never cried before, and now someone's crying, and I wanna cry even harder.
I want to cook with radishes again. I've been making mush burgers, and they're so gross. They're so gross.
I always tapped into my crush, so this isn't new territory. But the first group it brings me to a whole new realm of emotion.
I'm crying about radishes, or the dust storm, or because all my friends are crying,
Don't cry! Why do I have to have a little brother who always bragging? Your fault! What
But knowing you're all as upset as I am actually makes me less worried.
Stand back, everyone! My brother's got another idea!
Well, why did he sit in the corner? Why did he stick his thumb in a pie? And why did he think he was a good boy?
Are you kidding?
Maybe this is what Marjorie meant when she said to go beneath the surface. Our feelings. Because that's where it all begins, eh?
Are you kidding?
Look at the world. What can you do? Because it makes you ache. And it leaves you blue. And I guess my heart could break apart with a long goodbye. 'Cause it makes you cry.
Okay, this is happening. This is happening. Ow! Oh, man, that's the worst pain I've ever felt in my life. Ow, how's it look?
Ha! You mean nothing but a pile of cash?
Hello, little boy.
Ow, how's it look?
No. They put it for the sleeping.
Oh, all right, everybody, I got coffees over. Son of a... Did somebody say blow it?
It does look like a farmhouse.
My brother's got another idea. Why did he sit in the corner? Why did he stick his thumb in a pie? And why did he think he was a good boy?
Are you kidding?